Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, like the video and do share with your friends. Uh, so this is the India Quiz 2.0. After your request, we came back with India Quiz 2.0 after India Quiz 1.0 a couple of months back. So these are the question and answer for the India Quiz 2.0. So in the question number 1 we were looking for the blank. So this is the news from yesterday. Some people are born to pegs yet remain dash. Pooja Bhatt on nepotism. Many people made many comments on nepotism. So we were looking for a blank which fits the format of the quiz. The format of the quiz is a lone wolf. So you people are participating in the quiz as lone wolves. So the word I was looking for, lone wolf. Question 2, identify the road and on whose memory was it made. So this is none other than the mountain man of India, Dashrath Manjhi, and on whose memory was it made is his wife. Question number 3. So I was looking for a particular phrase in an India quiz, which means only the truth prevails, not the untrue. This was one of the easiest question in the quiz, and this particular phrase also share its name with a 2018 Bollywood movie. So this particular phrase is none other than Saktamev Jayate. Question 4. So these are a few actors. You have to give a particular specific connect. This one was easy. The first person is Ornali Das from Assam, who featured in the Bulbul Can Sing, was Bulbul, and second one is Tripti Dimri from the recent movie Bulbul, and third one is Swastima Khadka from the Nepali film Bulbul, and the last one is from the Hey Bros song Nach Meri Bulbul. So the word I was looking for, the connect I was looking for is Bulbul. So the question number 5, one of the easiest question from the quiz. These are the second and the third stanza of a particular song. Rather, I would say not a song. It is the anthem of our uh, Indian nation. This is Janagana Mana. Question 6. The Firoz Shah Tughlaq bought two of them from the Topra in Haryana and Meerut and installed them at Firoz Shah Kotla and North Delhi Ridge. What did he install? So Firoz Shah Tughlaq brought two of them and installed them. What was installed basically? So this is basically the Ashok pillar. Question number 7. We were looking for a historical building uh, where we talked about in a corner of the courtyard lies a wooden cabinet with the 5 relics of the prophet and known as the Dargah Ashar Sharif. These were inherited by Mughals from Taimur, who is Tangot from them. Uh, got them from a Sultan Bayazid Yildirim. So we were looking for a particular historical building. This is none other than Jama Masjid, Delhi. Question number 8. We were looking for a personality to be referred to the annals of a Indian mafiosi with a middle name Sarman Bhai. Her life partially inspired a Hindi movie as well. The answer we were looking for, this is Santokh Ben Jadeja. A tough one though, only few of you got correct. Question 9, we were looking for a particular palace which was once a garden. It was converted to a hunting lodge by Maharaja Savai Madho Singh in 1887. So it's now operated as a 5-star hotel by Taj Group. So what we were looking for was Rambagh Palace, Jaipur. Question 10, halfway through, the place located in a particular state. We were looking for a particular place which literally translate to elephant's tooth in English, and we were looking for a particular place from the northeast. So this is none other than Siaha in Mizoram, the famous Siaha in Mizoram. Question 11. Identify the place. The name of the place consists of the person's name. The person is Indira Gandhi, and her name is within the name of the institution, the name of the place. So what we were looking for, Negrims, and anyone wrote Negrims would get full points. Anyone wrote the full form will also get the full points. Question 12. This was another question on uh, Indian Prime Minister. Forward written by whom? Forward by this was book How Gujarati Do Business. That was a giveaway. You have to just name one Gujarati, famous Gujarati. So Dhanda by Shobha Bondre, which was translated by Shalaka Williambe. So what we were looking for was Narendra Modi, Narendra Damodar Modi. Question number 13. Uh, so we were looking for a particular party which formed coalition two times. Rajendra Narayan Singh Deo and Biswanath Das led the two coalition government between March 8, 1967 to January 9, 1971, a 4 years term, almost a 4 years term, and April 3, 1971 to June 14, 1972, a little above 1 year term. So we were looking for Swatantra Party. The next question was identify the movie. So this is Sabarmati Sports. So the movie we were talking about before that, this was one of the tribute question, tribute to the great Sushant Singh Rajput, who lost his life recently. So this is the movie Kai Poche. So Sabarmati Sports was the venture where they basically started with the sports equipment and the coaching and all in the movie, which was like destroyed in the middle in the Bhuj 26 January 2001 earthquake, and later on they like reconstructed and re-established themselves, and finally after Sushant Singh Rajput's death in the movie, uh, this particular sports club established in a good form. Question number 15. This was given as the Laddu in the Instagram already. In 1980, Indira Gandhi, other than Rai Bareli, contested from Medak and also won there. So the question was who finished 9th there, and another clue was given within the question that you can literally calculate the answer. So this would be none other than the human calculator, Shakuntala Devi. Only Shakuntala won't do. Shakuntala Devi is what I was looking for. The human calculator or human computer, Shakuntala Devi is we were looking for. This one was one of the interesting question. A particular group came together and contributed rupees 10, 20 each and bought a sari for the bride of the Prince Charles and a Marathi turban for him. That must have been very surely best gift for Prince Charles. Simply identify the contributors. So who were the people who in the group who contributed 10, 20 rupees each for this gift? So Marathi turban was one of the biggest clue, biggest giveaway hint. So a group when talked about Mumbai would be Mumbai Dabbawalas. So only Dabbawalas, good enough. Question number 17. Identify the company he leaded. Easy one. Another question from Gujarat, Anand. This is Anand Milk Union Limited or Amul. Question number 18. This one was a bit tough question since only few, not tough, but you have to think laterally. Due to time constraint, probably some of you have missed. This is a certain list in which the first person of is prime minister, the second person is one of the chief minister from one South Indian state, and the third one is whom this cottage is named after. What is the list about? And who is or are the latest one? So this is none other than the posthumous Bharat Ratna award winner list. The posthumous word is very important. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika and Nanaji Deshmukh being the recent one, Prime Minister being the Lal Bahadur Shastri, the first one, the Chief Minister being the K. Kamaraj from Tamil Nadu, and the cottage is Binobhar Kuti from Sabarmati Ashram. The cottage is named after Binoba Bhave. Question number 19. In the heart of which city is this famous coffee house is located? Which is famous for its something which starts with the same letter which the city name starts. So the city is none other than Kolkata, because as background may help is what the hint was given. So in background that particular person is Rabindranath Tagore, and being Kolkata we get K, and the famous thing from Indian coffee house Kolkata which starts with K is Kaviraji. So Kolkata and Kaviraji is what we were looking for. Question number 20. From the world of sports, the trophy above is named after a leading Jewish business tycoon. So we were looking for a particular trophy, and sports it's given. Ezra Cup and Polo is what we were looking for. Question 21. X is a Sumerian name of a prominent trading partner of Sumer during the Middle Bronze Age. Its identification remains as open question, but almost scholars associate it with the Indus Valley civilization. So we are looking for X and Y. So the word X almost what clue was given in the bold is the word X almost phonetically similar to a very popular word popularized by a prominent in Hindu fiction writer, and X is also the oldest non name for Y. For Y we gave hint was think why you are here, and for X we said Hindu fiction writer, Indian Hindu fiction writer. So the answer would be Meluha with double H. The immortals of Meluha being the clue, and for Y, it's India. And as the clue was given, why you are here is the India quiz. So that's all in our India quiz 2.0 session. Thank you for watching the full video, and stay connected. Do watch the previous videos in this channel. Do subscribe the channel if you are new. Do likes and share the video, and obviously please comment down your reviews. Thank you.